In this video, I'm going to be discussing whether publications like Pitchfork, Billboard, Rolling Stone, Complex, and all those other music publications and music blogs are actually worth your time and effort, or if you should be spending your money and time and efforts towards other things. My name is Lennon, and I'm an electronic music producer that goes by the name Sirius. On this YouTube channel, I show you how you can improve your mixes, your masters, and your productions and easily navigate the music business. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Like, and then leave a comment down below. You can also join my Discord server, which is in the link below. Let's dig in and discuss whether music blogs and publications are actually worth your time. So for some context, I've been a music journalist for about 5 years, and I have written thousands of articles on singles, EPs, albums, music reviews. I've written for publications like EDM.com, Dancing Astronaut, Earmilk, Magnetic Magazine, Digital Music News, and a whole host of others as well. And 10 to 15 years ago, music blogs were the form of music discovery. They were the reason and a lot of the reasons why many artists blew up and got really big. We look at artists like Lily Allen, Chief Keef, Vampire Weekend, and Arcade Fire. They all grew and expanded their careers because of blogs and their write-ups within these publications. But as a journalist, music reviews are actually really boring to write because every artist and every band and every musician has new music coming out. And it's really not that enticing to write about the same kind of music every day or every week on New Music Fridays. Now, I congratulate you on releasing new music. However, when you and 10 other artists have released another song or an album or an EP, why should I care about yours over somebody else's? However, music publications are not totally dead. One of the biggest benefits, the SEO, which is search engine optimization, and that's an entirely different video and a whole topic in and of itself. In basic terms, when somebody searches your name or your artist project on Google, what's going to pop up? What does pop up? And there's a lot of factors that factor into what Google shows you. Improving your chances through a really domain-heavy and authoritative site like Billboard or Rolling Stone can assist in your storytelling and assist in your branding. So a write-up on, say, Rolling Stone, and then that Rolling Stone article is really beefy and it tells the reader who you are and what you stand for and the kind of music that you write, that can be really helpful for your career and actually convert people over into your ecosystem. If you don't have anything that shows up and it's just your website that's outdated and you haven't updated in 5 years, that can actually be more harmful than do good than just having really nice write-up in a publication like Billboard or Rolling Stone. In addition, Spotify does actually look at blog reviews when or place your songs within their playlists. It's most likely because they're looking for some kind of buzz. Are people talking about it? What kind of traction can they get from people into your playlist and into their playlists, excuse me. So that kind of signifies, like, if you're getting big write-ups in Billboard, Pitchfork, and all those publications, they're going to be able to see that and be like, okay, there is a little bit of traction here. Adding this to the playlist may actually help our playlists grow in addition to the artist. I will include a number of articles that further discuss this and really dive deep. Blogs and write-ups are just not as effective as they used to be. Now, if you can get one, I would definitely take it, absolutely, but make sure that you are finding the right people to share your story and finding the right journalist and finding the right publication that is actually going to resonate most with the audience that whoever reads those publications. If you have a hip hop song coming out, I definitely wouldn't go for rock music publications because that audience is just not going to convert and they're not interested in that kind of music. So if you can get a blog write-up, it can definitely be beneficial as long as your story is being portrayed and your imaging is being portrayed in a way that is effective to you and conducive to your career, then I would absolutely recommend it. However, I would not spend tons of time and money researching and trying to get these placements because they just don't drive the traffic. that they used to. Instead, you can spend that money on direct marketing through Spotify or Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube, or creating a really high-end music video and pushing that type of content, because that's going to do much better on, say, TikTok and Instagram, because that's where these people live. The younger generations just don't read blog posts anymore. They want quick, digestible content that they can get within seconds. So I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and be discovered by new viewers. And I would invite you to join my Discord server. This is a great place for creatives like yourself, and rappers and producers and mixing engineers and sound designers and all other music professionals are in there sharing stories and helping one another out. And we would love to have you as part of our community. So the link to that is down below. I've also linked a few other articles in the description below for you to check out and read more about kind of this blog atmosphere that happened 10 to 15 years ago, and really kind of dig in. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.